Let's learn how to sell Pi coin on OKX. Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to sell Pi coin on OKX. It is simple and easy. Here is step-by-step guide on how to sell Pi coin on OKX. First, create OKX account. Sign up to your Pi app or Pi website. You'll be needing an email address, phone number, and eligible username. Secondly, transfer your Pi to your OKX. I'll be dropping a video link on how to transfer Pi coin on the description box of this video. In order to sell your Pi coin on your OKX, you need to navigate to your OKX exchange. Click on the trade section found at the bottom of the screen and select the kind of crypto, which is Pi USDT. You can select any of them you want, but for me, I'll be selecting Pi USDT. The next thing you have to do is to make sure that you click on the sell option, and the next thing is to select market order. Click on market order because it gives you the best price for buy and sell. You can now type in manually the price you want to sell, an amount of Pi. You can see option for Pi there. You just have to click in Toggle in order to type in the amount of Pi you want to actually sell. Let's say I want to sell 20 Pi. The next thing you have to do is to draw this slider. Draw it to 100%. Having done that, you just have to click on the sell Pi option. Automatically you'll be selling your Pi on your OKX. So guys, that is it on how to sell Pi on OKX. If this video was helpful, do want to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.